masarap
room
din
and
siya.
stop. In the room and stop.
Hindi marunong lumaban kay pagbakbak.
Okay, you know what? I'll work the parents here. Parents, we need your voices. 30 seconds. 30 seconds away. Parents, let's make some noise for the kids. Parents. Yeah. We'll do the countdown here with the parents. Parents, count down with me. Okay, count down with me. Here we go. Get ready, cheeky. We're going to count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Girls.
Saan na ba si Brent?
Alright, 13 and 14-year-old girls.
Pangtatlo si Brent. Ayan, pangtatlo si Brent.
Alam siya?
Pangtatlo.
Ayan. Fighting for... Ayaw kasi lumaban. Oh, let's go! Sino? Si ba? Ayan na, yun. Safe. Nice. Volleyball!
Pangtatlo si Brent.
Nicole, kaliwa tayo! Nakadikit kay Bang. Yan, gusto kong lang ko eh.
Okay, this is my area. The parents' area. I got the parents here. I have my parents with me. Only 13 to 14. 13 to 14 girls ready for their start. That's 2 or 3 minutes. Pete, I have my young parents here with me.
Para maluwag.
Stress on the word young. Parents, are we ready to cheer? Alright, no breakfast yet. No breakfast.
Go, Nicole!
No breakfast yet.
Nicole, time trial, ha?
Thank you. You know the drill.
Sana, I bring out.
Brent's still on the third on voice. Just few
Alright, 2 minutes from race start for our 13 to 14-year-old girls, 2 minutes. And then we'll have a short break. It'll be our 11 and 12-year-old girls. And there'll be all of our honor age groupers in the Alaska I Am Kids, Philippine style. Just on 1 minute now, 1 minute to race start for our 13 to 14-year-old girls. Okay. Parents, do not shoot the messenger, but let me remind you, you can only position yourselves behind the A-board. I have. Sorry, Chicky. Thank you. 30 seconds. 30 seconds to race start for our 13 to 14-year-old girls.
Go, Nicole!
Okay, we've got 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Okay, countdown, folks. Parents.